Here's a quick look at the Google Ads smart bidding strategy of maximize conversion value. What is it and how it can benefit your campaign? Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for watching this video. This automated bidding strategy is going to help you to get the most conversion value from your campaign within the boundaries of your budget. This feature is now live for all search campaigns. Here are the 4 key benefits that you will get from it. Advanced machine learning. Within bidding, the algorithms are constantly learning to be able to help you make more accurate predictions about how different bid amounts will influence conversions. This advanced machine learning takes account of a huge range of factors that will impact performance and saves a lot of time. Contextual signals. Auction time bidding allows you to factor in a range of signals in your bid optimization settings. Signals are any attributes that you can identify about a person, like the device type they are using, where they are located, their search habits, and so on. Transparent performance reporting. The reporting tools within Smart Bidding will give you much deeper insights into your campaign performance and troubleshoot any issues faster. These include bid strategy reports, which gives you a snapshot of the key metrics for your campaigns. Detailed bid strategy statuses that provides a deeper analysis of what's going on with your bids. Campaign drafts. These make it easier to test how well smart bidding performs against your current campaign. Simulators that can forecast how many conversions your ad might get if you change the CPA targets. Alerts and notifications that will flag issues with conversion tracking and help you to fix them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for joining in, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.